The phrase, "there is nothing new under the sun," is an expression that suggests that everything that happens or has happened in the world has occurred before in some form. It reflects a sense of the cyclical nature of life and history, implying that human experiences, events, and ideas are not truly original, but rather repetitions or variations of what has already occurred. This phrase is often used to convey a sense of resignation or acceptance of the inevitability of certain events or patterns in life. It originates from the biblical book of Ecclesiastes in the Old Testament. There are parallels that can be drawn between the main actors in the Peloponnesian War and those in World War I and World War II, although the contexts, motivations, and technologies involved are vastly different. For context, the Peloponnesian War was a protracted conflict fought between two powerful Greek city-states, Athens and Sparta, along with their respective allies, from 431 to 404 BCE. This war is named after the Peloponnese Peninsula, where Sparta was located. The underlying causes of the Peloponnesian War were complex and multifaceted, but a major factor was the rise of Athenian power and its imperial ambitions, which caused alarm among other Greek city-states, particularly Sparta. The conflict essentially pitted the two leading Greek city-states against each other, representing two different models of governance and societal organization. In the Peloponnesian War, Athens represented the dominant naval power and the leader of the Delian League, while Sparta led the Peloponnesian League, emphasizing land power. In World War I and II, the Allies, primarily led by Britain, France, the United States, and later the Soviet Union, were characterized by their naval and industrial strength, while the Axis powers, Germany, Italy, and Japan, relied heavily on land power and aggressive expansionism. Thucydides' trap refers to the idea that a rising power, Athens, can threaten an established power, Sparta, leading to conflict. Similarly, in the 20th century, power shifts and the rise of ambitious nations like Germany and Japan challenged the established order, contributing to both world wars. Athens and its empire represented a form of maritime imperialism, expanding its influence through trade and alliances, the Delian League. Similarly, the colonial ambitions of European powers in the 19th and early 20th centuries contributed to tensions that eventually erupted into global conflict in World War I and II. Both conflicts involved complex webs of alliances. In the Peloponnesian War, Athens and Sparta formed coalitions with various city-states. In World War I and II, the alliance systems were more formalized with treaties such as the Triple Entente and the Triple Alliance in World War I, and the Axis and Allied powers in World War II. The Peloponnesian War saw a clash between the Athenian naval strategy and the Spartan land-based strategy. In World War I and II, there were distinct military strategies, such as trench warfare in World War I and blitzkrieg tactics in World War II. Economic competition and disparities played significant roles in both sets of conflicts. Athens' economic dominance and reliance on tribute from the Delian League led to resentment among other Greek city-states. Similarly, economic grievances, such as the Treaty of Versailles' impact on Germany's economy, contributed to the conditions that led to World War II. While these parallels exist, it's important to note the many differences between these conflicts, including their scale, duration, technological advancements, and socio-political contexts. In hindsight, we can see the patterns and moving pieces. But what if we peer into the looking glass just a little bit longer? Perhaps we can see the patterns forming and hopefully see the moving pieces as well. For your information, the current military alliances as of January 2022 is as follows. NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. a political and military alliance of 30 member countries from North America and Europe. The Collective Security Treaty Organization, an intergovernmental military alliance comprising Russia and several other former Soviet republics. The Southeast Asia Treaty Organization. Though less active than in the past, it still exists on paper with some members. The Australia, New Zealand, United States Security Treaty, a security pact between Australia, New Zealand, and the United States, primarily focused on defense in the Pacific region. The Five Eyes, an intelligence alliance comprising Australia, Canada, New Zealand, the United Kingdom, and the United States. We have seen and heard the saber rattling from the United States, Russia, China, United Kingdom, North Korea, Iran, and recently from the Houthis. Remember, all these nations are part of military alliances who have promised to come to each other's aid. And within these alliances are subgroups you may never have heard of. When all hell breaks loose, and I pray it doesn't, we are doomed.